When you hear the name Toyota Corolla, you probably think of one thing: reliability. But what if I told you the 2027 model is trying to completely change that image? Not just reliable, but actually exciting, modern, and maybe even a little premium. The question is, has Toyota finally turned the Corolla into more than just the safe choice? Let's find out. From the very first glance, the 2027 Corolla feels different. Toyota has clearly pushed the design further than before. The front fascia is sharper, more aggressive, and almost futuristic. The slim LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, giving it a wider and lower stance. The grille is more sculpted now, not oversized, but refined in a way that balances sportiness with elegance. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely earns a second look. As you move to the side, you'll notice cleaner body lines and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The roofline slopes slightly toward the rear, giving it a subtle fastback vibe. Alloy wheel designs have been upgraded too, ranging from simple and efficient to sportier multi-spoke options depending on the trim. At the back, the LED taillights are slimmer and more connected, giving it a modern, almost premium look that you wouldn't expect from a Corolla just a few years ago. Step inside, and this is where the biggest transformation happens. The cabin of the 2027 Corolla feels like it belongs in a class above. Soft touch materials are used more generously across the dashboard and doors. The layout is cleaner, more driver-focused, and less cluttered than before. Right in the center sits a large floating infotainment screen, likely around 10.5 to 12 inches depending on the variant. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the interface is faster, smoother, and more intuitive than previous generations. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to switch between different layouts depending on your mood or driving style. Whether you want a minimalist display or a more detailed one showing navigation, fuel economy, or hybrid stats, it's all there. The steering wheel has been redesigned as well, with better grip and more premium buttons. Comfort has also improved noticeably. The seats are more supportive, especially for long drives, and higher trims even offer ventilated seats, something Corolla buyers could only dream of before. Rear seat space remains practical, with enough legroom and headroom for adults, making it a solid choice for families or daily commuting. The trunk space is also generous, easily handling luggage for road trips or everyday errands. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get interesting. The 2027 Corolla offers multiple powertrain options to suit different types of drivers. The base model still comes with a refined 1.8-liter engine, focused on fuel efficiency and smooth driving. But for those who want more power, there's a 2.0-liter engine that delivers stronger acceleration and better highway performance. And then comes the hybrid version, which is probably the highlight of the lineup. Toyota has improved its hybrid system once again, making it more efficient, quieter, and more responsive. The transition between electric and petrol power is almost seamless now. In city driving, you'll find yourself running on electric power more often than you expect, saving fuel and reducing emissions without even thinking about it. Fuel economy is, as expected, one of the Corolla's strongest points. The hybrid variant easily delivers impressive mileage figures, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. Even the petrol versions are tuned for efficiency without sacrificing too much performance. Driving the 2027 Corolla feels more refined than ever. The suspension has been tuned to absorb bumps better, providing a smoother ride on rough roads while still maintaining stability at higher speeds. The steering is light and precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces, but it also firms up slightly at higher speeds for better control. It's not a sports car, but it feels confident and composed, which is exactly what most buyers want. Noise insulation has also improved significantly. Road noise and wind noise are reduced, making the cabin quieter and more comfortable, especially on long highway drives. This adds to the overall premium feel of the car. Safety has always been a strong point for the Corolla, and the 2027 model takes it even further. It comes equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These systems are smarter and more responsive now, providing an extra layer of confidence whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. Another interesting addition is the improved semi-autonomous driving capability in certain markets. While it's not fully self-driving, it can assist with steering, acceleration, and braking in certain conditions, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Technology doesn't stop at the infotainment system. The 2027 Corolla also offers wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium sound system, and even over-the-air software updates. This means your car can actually improve over time, adding new features or refining existing ones without needing a visit to the dealership. Now let's talk about the real-world ownership experience, because that's where the Corolla has always dominated. Maintenance costs are expected to remain low, thanks to Toyota's proven engineering and global service network. Reliability is still a major selling point, and the 2027 model continues that legacy while adding more modern features. Resale value is another area where the Corolla shines. It holds its value better than many competitors, making it a smart long-term investment. Whether you plan to keep it for years or sell it later, you're likely to get a good return. One thing that stands out with the 2027 Corolla is how well it balances everything. It's not trying to be the fastest car, the most luxurious car, or the most high-tech car. Instead, it brings together a bit of everything: efficiency, comfort, technology, safety, and reliability into one well-rounded package. Of course, it's not perfect. Enthusiasts might still find it a bit too conservative in terms of driving excitement. While the design is improved, it may not be bold enough for those who want something truly eye-catching. And while the interior is much better, it still stops just short of being truly premium compared to luxury brands. But here's the thing: the Corolla has never been about extremes. It's about consistency, dependability, and value. And with the 2027 model, Toyota has managed to evolve it without losing its core identity. So who is this car for? Honestly, almost everyone. If you're a student looking for your first car, a professional needing a reliable daily driver, or a family wanting something practical and efficient, the Corolla fits the bill. And now, with its upgraded design and features, it also appeals to those who want a bit more style and modernity. In the end, the 2027 Toyota Corolla proves that you don't need to reinvent the wheel to stay relevant. You just need to refine it, improve it, and adapt to changing times. And that's exactly what Toyota has done here. It's still the Corolla you know, but smarter, sharper, and more advanced than ever before.